Are your e-learning courses struggling to keep your learners engaged? In today's video, I'm diving into 5 critical elements that help you build engaging e-learning content: interactive slide decks, training software simulations, e-learning videos, quizzes, and gamification. The best part, you don't need to use multiple tools to create all these elements. Meet ActivePresenter, an all-in-one e-learning tool that helps you create stunning interactive slide decks, build software simulations, produce e-learning videos, create interactive quizzes, and even add a gamification all in one place. No need to create an account, no login, no fear of data collected. You just need to download the Windows or Mac version from the links I placed in the description box below and install it in just a few seconds. By the way, I'm Clay from A2Me Systems, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to not miss our latest videos. Have you finished downloading ActivePresenter? Okay, let's dive into 5 can't-miss elements to create engaging e-learning content with ActivePresenter. 1. Craft stunning interactive slide decks. Let's face it, boring slide decks can kill a whole course. But when done right, they can set the foundation for the whole effective learning experience. Take this slide I made in ActivePresenter for example. It's clean, uses bold visuals, and highlights key points with animations and interactions to maintain focus. So, slide decks are great for presenting core concepts and supporting visuals. Tips for you: to make them engaging, limit text, use high-quality images, incorporate animation wisely, and make them interactive. 2. Build training simulations. Now, let's talk about training simulations. Static instructions are outdated. Instead, simulations immerse learners in real-world scenarios. For example, this interactive simulation, which I create from ActivePresenter, guides learners how to use the Audacity software step by step. This is extremely helpful for corporations or organizations in the training process. So, simulations build confidence and allow learners to make mistakes without consequences until they get used to the product and the whole procedure. 3. Produce e-learning videos. Videos are a cornerstone of e-learning. Lacking of them can make your courses be poorly explained. For example, this video explains a process step by step with visuals and a clear voiceover. It simplifies the learning experience and keeps viewers engaged. And you know what? I created the whole video just by using ActivePresenter to record, edit, and publish it. So, videos are perfect for explaining intricate concepts, storytelling, and demonstrations. Keep them concise, visually appealing, and aligned to your learning objectives. 4. Design tests and quizzes with assessment. Traditional quizzes often feel like an afterthought, but well-designed assessments can reinforce learning. For instance, this quiz uses drag and drop to test knowledge and provides instant and meaningful feedback. It's not just an assessment, it's an opportunity to learn. So, quizzes should challenge learners and provide insights. Incorporating elements like slide-based questions or adaptive feedback can significantly enhance retention. 5. Add gamification to your e-learning. Gamification can transform e-learning from a chore to an engaging experience. For example, these games bring learners the experience of conquering challenges, therefore inspiring friendly competition and pushing motivation. In other words, gamification boosts motivation and participation. Whether you are presenting, teaching, training, or onboarding, adding game-like elements can make all the difference. Above are the 5 can't-miss elements to create engaging e-learning content, and all of the interactive samples throughout this video are made in ActivePresenter. Ready to take your e-learning courses to the next level? Download ActivePresenter today and start create your stunning e-learning content. See you again in the next videos.